All right, Tim, take a look at the heavy-duty large garage magnet hooks. Okay, it's cool. So it looks like we got two of them. This is nice. I like that they actually foam packed all that. Oh, that's cool. So this spacer isn't needed. They just put that in there to help to protect everything during shipment. That's actually pretty cool. I like that. So these do come pre-threaded. So it's got that bolt end sticking out the end. And then we've got a washer, a lock washer, and a nut. So it is a little interesting that there would be a multi-hole hook. I've actually used hooks exactly like this before. These things are fantastic. I've never used them with a magnet. It seems like this might swivel a little bit if you have it on a single hole. I think as long as you lock this thing down tight enough and with the rubber backing on here, it's probably not going to be that big of a deal. And plus, if you put anything really heavy on here, the weight of it is just going to pull it down anyway. But the more important thing is, let's use that top hole instead of the bottom hole. So we'll stick that in there. And then the washer, lock washer, and the nut. So as we squeeze this down, that is going to crimp down that lock washer and prevent this thing from spinning. Oh yeah, okay, so that's actually on there pretty good. So I'm pretty confident with that. So these are rubber coated, so it does have a nice little protection right there, so whatever you put on there, you don't have to worry about scratching it up, so that's fantastic. Pretty good long length on there as well. You can definitely throw a hammer or something like that on there, maybe even a couple of hammers. Oh, build this one the same way. Lock washer. Yeah, okay, cool. So let's go see if they work. Okay. Seems strong. Yeah, okay, yeah, those are some great magnets. And that's not even catching the full width of the metal. So if I had this on an even thicker piece of metal, that would be even stronger. But that's impressive. I'm very happy with that.